By any standards, India is one of the most environmentally challenged countries on earth. The population is 1 billion and always growing. Cities like Calcutta seem to be stretched to the limits of human population. In spite of this, even in the most modern cities, nature has found a way to live right alongside humans. Everywhere in India, monkeys climb and play amongst the rafters of buildings. Chipmunks dart in and out of open doors. Dogs are seldom kept as pets, and snakes are still quite charmed to see tourists. And of course, the cow remains the most sacred traffic hazard in the whole country. From the standpoint of the afterlife, the biggest mistake a motorist could make would be to hit a cow. In addition to functioning as unpaid street cleaners, cows are considered sacred in India because they provide 5 benefits to man: milk and its derivatives, ghee as an oil used in cooking and heating, leather for clothing, urine, which is a natural disinfectant for flies and mosquitoes, and dung as fertilizer and building material. It's hard to believe, given the overwhelming crush of people in many parts of India, that there are any quiet, tranquil places